you? I just did this real fast monster look for kids face painting. It's very quick, very multicolored, very detailed, and it's pretty cool. I always do this. I always come on here and be like, I'm done, and then I add things to it. Yeah, let's do a little something like that. Alright, I'm done, I swear. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I accomplished this look, just hold on, and it's right here. Bye. Okay, I am putting neon yellow from Tag Face Paint on my highlighted areas on my face. Next, I'm putting a turquoise blue from Tag Face Paint and outlining the yellow I just put down. I'm going all around the eye as much as I can. Next, I'm putting a metallic blue around from Tag Face Paint. Next, I'm wiping the edges off to give me a straight edge with a baby wipe as I'm listening to music and in my own zone, chilling. Next, I am putting purple eyeshadow on selected areas on my face, and the purple is from BH Cosmetics. Next, I'm using my white WolfeFx paint and drawing in my horns, and I'm going in with the second coat on my horns to get them as white as possible. Next, I'm doing my lips. Well, my my teeth. I decided to do medium-sized teeth. You can go really small or you can go really big. I decided to do mine medium. Right now, I'm using my black and WolfeFx, outlining my whole design. And I'm using a round brush. And I'm just swooping in to give it like a rough look to it. I'm laughing at myself. Okay, just going around. When I hit the nose, I didn't know exactly what I was doing with the nose. Kind of messed up, but it still looked right to me. I mean, I could pull something off with it. I went in with the white later on, and I'm putting dots around to give it more detail, filling in my teeth. I'm giving my teeth more detail. And dots all around my eyes. I love dots because that's the easiest detail you can put on anything, and it just looks great. And now I'm going in with the white face paint and highlighting my whole design. And filling my nose. I did a little something with my nose, but I'm highlighting. And then I put dots all the way down where the bright colors are. And I'm done. I'm done? I'm done for the night? Alright. Well, good night. Good night. Like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'll be back. Bye.